Hi, welcome to my channel. I am reviewing here Samsung refrigerator. It is 198 liters and 5-star rated refrigerator, which is came to market recently 20 in this year 2020. You can see here it is direct cool type. It is useful to small families. Small families. Okay. Then first of all, it is 5-star rated refrigerator. So the power consumption is less, and another details which is given in this refrigerator is they have providing a 10 years warranty on the compressor, and this refrigerator runs on home inverter. That means they have indicated only power requirement just less than power of 2 CFL bulbs, and it doesn't require stabilizer. And 21 years of reliability tested by VDE. Just for your information, VDE is a German institute, or a what we can certifying agency, which certifies home appliances compressor, especially compressor. What 21 years means, the reliability of compressor is 21 years, not about this refrigerator. Only compressor reliability they have mentioned there. And from the front there is a big grill, chrome finished grill they have provided, which looks nice, and it can be used for opening the door of refrigerator, or there is one handle type slot is provided at the top of the door. From there also one can open the door of the refrigerator. For child safety, one small key is provided, so that we can lock the refrigerator when we are away. And one tray is given at the bottom to stock or to put vegetables like onions, potatoes. The quality of this tray is okay. I am not telling it is very good. Okay. And the weight of refrigerator is about 40 kgs, which makes a very light refrigerator, and a healthy person can lift easily behind his back, and he can transport it when transported. Okay. And back side of this refrigerator is fully closed. There is no heat exchangers like mesh type heat exchangers are provided. It is fully closed, which makes it hassle free while transporting purpose and all. And let me tell you one more thing. This refrigerator uses R600A compressed gas for cooling purpose, which is a environment friendly, more environment friendly gas. Nowadays all the refrigerator comes with the R600A gas only. Previously it was R314A, I think, that gas was used, which is a CFC, chlorofluorocarbon gas. Now R600A, which is more environment friendly and less ozone depleting potential gas. And the finish of the overall finish of the refrigerator is very good. There is no dent and all, and both side, right side and left side of the uh, refrigerator gets little warm while operating, and they have mentioned that in this sticker that refrigerator sides may get warm. It's not a malfunction like that, they have mentioned. And one more thing I can say, the noise of this refrigerator is very less. Okay, you just can hear the noise, noiseless operation, I can say that like that. And let me go inside the refrigerator first. Okay, I will explain there also. Okay, see, so this is the inside of the refrigerator. I will show here. There are 4 compartments. Top one is very small, and there is 2 compartments for keeping eggs or lemons, something like that, and 2 slots for keeping bottles. One is smaller bottles, and bottom one is for bigger bottles. And inside this the top part is freezer, as you know that. And in the freezer, I can open the freezer. I already kept ice. It got iced around 45 minutes to 1 hour, I think, not more than that. It's froze very quickly, I can say that. And inside the it is not a defrost. We have to defrost it manually. This doesn't have automatic defrost settings. So whenever the ice gets inside freezer, above this mark, there is a small red mark is there. We have to press this defrost button, which is on the right side of this freezing, this side, top right side. And the bottom part is these glasses are made of toughened glasses, which looks very strong, and they can be removed and adjustable, convenient, as convenient for your vessel size. Easily you can remove it. See, you can remove it easily. So if your vessel size is big, you can remove one slab outside, one glass outside, and keep it outside also, no problem in it. Okay, then one more thing is these slabs are this plastic, this holder also can be removed easily by pressing both the sides. You have to press it and pull it upside. By that, by it you can remove it. At the bottom there is one vegetable box is there, cooling box here, that one. Okay, I will close it. One LED light also is there. Okay, I will close it now. And overall the refrigerator looks good. And one more thing, this this R600A, what I am telling, gas is flammable gas. You have to careful with it, not careful, just like our LPG itself. If there is a leakage, a rotten egg smell comes. Okay, if that happens, you have to switch off the refrigerator and call their customer service peoples. It doesn't have they are fully close it properly. By chance if it happens in the future, And there is a manual, safety instruction manual. In the manual also they have mentioned what I have said right now. Okay, simple manual. It comes along with the refrigerator, and this user manual also comes with the refrigerator. Okay, I will not extend this video furthermore. I am keeping it simple. Overall, it's a very good refrigerator for small families. Yeah, I'm giving the e-commerce website links along with these videos. Please subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon. I will, yeah, thank you very much.